Monday, September. Look at that boy, look at that. Sure we're still tracking there. Yeah, Monday, September, what's that, 17th today? Take our lights out here. Y'all can see we got our low boy hooked up. The old low boy hooked up here. We're headed down to Seymour, Texas to pick up a articulating versatile tractor. Here's a little bit of an air leak. There we go. Glad hand was just a little bit loose. We're gonna grab us some go-go juice. And we'll talk about it a little more down the road here. So do y'all ever leave a fuel stop and wonder if you put your caps back on? Good over here. Good over there. I do that pretty often. We're about 15 miles in here. Wellington, Texas. They got this good little wide pull off here up there. I check right quick, see if I had diesel all over the side of everything. But no, we're in good shape. So let's rock on. Oh yeah, today is the 16th of September. Doing all the good. The month is flying by. Where did September go? One on the side of the road up here. No four ways, no nothing. Just sitting there. Minutes. Imagine that. I want to turn on your four ways there, man. Thank you very much, sir. You're welcome. Nobody run in the back of you. They get you going. And it's fun. Yeah, imagine that. Headaches with the radio. I seen that antenna on there though, that's why I said so. I mean, it's just the little things, y'all. You got to do the little things, right? I mean, you don't turn your four ways on. Somebody's coming around that curve, half asleep, 5 o'clock in the morning, and just see his tail lights there. Then next thing you know, they're up underneath the truck, right? Big old cow truck. Yeah, buddy. Well, let's get on down the road here. We'll pop in here and there in between. Get down to Seymour. Alright, so we're in Quanah, Texas. We're about to hang a ride on Highway 6 here. Get off the big road. Always kind of a tight turn right here. Especially with this low boy going around.
At the light, turn right onto Highway 6 South, South Main Street.
Get in the middle here. It's not bad when nobody's at the light, but sometimes people will be parked right here by this car wash.
Continue on Highway 6 South for 21 miles.
It's kind of a pain in the butt. Not this morning. We're southbound and down. We're halfway there, y'all. We've been about 60 miles. We got about another 60 to go. Going down here through the country now on 2 lanes. Time lapse y'all on in. Let you see the beautiful sunrise.
Texas, he's ready to fight. Hauling the tractor, versatile and bold, with every mile traveled, stories untold. Wellington's calling, he's feeding with pride, a YouTube legend on this wild ride. Through desert grit, he's chasing the dawn in the heart.
It looks like they got them some rain down here. loaded. Oh, hopefully I can get spun around. I see 2 846 Versatiles. That's what we're picking up. Lock in my differential there just in case we do start spinning a little bit. Here, he said, talked to a guy where we pulled up here, and he said they all the employees usually park right there where I kind of pulled in at. Let's go out and go do some measuring. Alright, so while we're out here waiting, well, actually opened up till 8 o'clock. We'll go up here and do some measuring on this machine. I really think if it's parked back here, I don't know if this is their ready line up here or that's their ready line. So, but they look about the same, so almost looks identical to the specs of the one I hauled a week and a half ago or so. Just want to measure them wheels. I know lengthwise we're gonna be just fine. Only thing I want to look at's the width of the inside dual to inside dual. "72 inches. 72 inches, just like the other one." Up here, we're gonna measure this air cleaner here. Tape measure kind of neat. Down right there, 68 inches to right here. What is that, y'all? 10 foot 8 inches? Yeah. 10 foot 8 inches tall. Shouldn't be a problem if that's the one. Alright, so we got all that done. We're gonna go back here and do my logbook, take a few pictures, we'll get her loaded up. Alright, let's get her set down. about 10 years, 15 years newer than that 1975 I moved last night. It's not near as clean. Sounds good. That one I moved a couple weeks ago, that's 75 model. It was clean. Drive through the dang mud here. Let's try that. See how it looks. Get out here, see how she looks. A low tire there. Typical dual tractor move. You always got a low tire. A real low tire over here. Look at that one. Real low tire on that side. I could back up here and air that one up. I think I will. I think while we're strapping down, I'm gonna put the air to that tire and let her air up. Get a little bit in it anyway. That one over there is pretty low. But yeah, most of the time when you're moving these tractors and stuff, you got duals on them. You always got a low tire. She fit on there just fine. So let's go bring the truck back and get it backed up here and reconnected. toolbox here out of the way. Grab this air hose. That tire air up while we're strapping down here. So we'll go ahead and strap the front first. Get this tire a little time to air up. I can already see it moving up though. That's good. That's good. Get them super tight because they just keep pulling the tractor this way. So you get them good and snug, and when you tighten down your front, the chain's on the other end, they will suck right up. Excess chain there back into the chain box. Shorter chain on this side, so we'll just wrap it, hook it back to itself. Man, it's humid out here. I said they got a bunch of rain. It is humid, dude. Wiggle the tractor around a little bit to get that pin to drop into place. we tie down the back, let's do that. I'll let y'all sit there and watch it. Like that, that's how it's done. Close the door, let's chain down the back. And that tire looking better already. Now that left front up there is pretty low too, so I think I'm gonna shoot some air in it too. That'll help us out a bunch. Go ahead and move our air over there right quick. Stem. It's on the downhill side over here, a bit better. It sounded like it probably got water in the tire. Probably had water in the tires at one time. She's moving though. Let's chain down the back. Put a little air in this tire as well. Alright, all our chains good and tight. Now all we gotta do is put our flags on. Got my switch turned on for my marker. As soon as I plug up my 7-way, they'll come on. I might go ahead and run a chain right here just in case. I don't think I have to, as long as that pin's in there. I know some people beg to differ. We're good there. So let's get our flags out and start flagging. I can do the back. Good on that tire. No, it's going up. Put up our air hose. I got some flags too to go back here and on the front of the truck, but I gotta get the mounts welded on the trailer. Just finding time to do it, y'all. That's the kicker. let's go for one last walk around. Check all our chains, tight, flag, good, pin is in its place, chain is tight, things secure underneath. Kind of look the tractor over while you're walking around, make sure there's no doors open, no windows open, that good stuff. We got our whoopee lights working, got our flags back here. Same thing on this side, look the tractor over, make sure there's nothing open, that chain's tight. Thing looks good up there, pin in its spot, flag, chain here, good and tight. Thing looks good on the trailer. The thing I was going to do, I was going to move this block. I could probably get a ticket from a raspy DOT about that being unsecured. Drop it back down in hidey ho. Hidey ho, y'all heard that in a while? Gotta turn our whoopee lights on top. Got a flag on the front. Go up here. Flip the switch. I don't know if y'all can see that in the sun, but they're working. We're good to go. Good to go. Let me take me a picture here for our cover. Of the video, thumbnail, whatever you want to call it, and we'll be on the road. Alright, so we made about 30 miles down the road here. We're gonna stop and check things out. Thought I smell a little rubber smell, burnt rubber smell when I come in, but I done walked around, looked at all the tires, everything looks good. It might be some pretty fresh millings right here. It might be what I'm smelling. Check our chains, shoes tight, flag is in place, pin is in place. Chain's pretty tight. Use a snug on it. There you go. She's tight. Big old cow truck. Whoopee lights, flag still in place. Chain's tight. All the doors and stuff are closed. Remember to be looking around that. Pin's in place. Flag still there. Chain's tight. Purple lights are working. By golly, I think we're good to go. Let's get on down the highway. So we stopped here in Quanah, Texas at the Love's. Gonna look everything over again. I'm going here and see if they got a couple more of those magnetic flags. Tires seem to be holding their air decent. Pin still in its place. Flag. Chains tight. Truck's running good. Whoopie lights working. Didn't say it when I walked by, but the oversized sign's still on the front. Yeah, I'm gonna see if they got a couple more of these style flags with the magnet mount on it. We'll run in here and see what we can find. So they didn't have any of the magnet mount type, but we got some bungee ones. Got some pizza and a drink. Clean my windshields right quick. Notice this thing has a little bit of a hydraulic leak. Hope that wasn't something they were supposed to fix while it was in there. Anyway, let's get these slapped on, get our windows clean, and get back on the road. We're halfway there. Like that, we got her done, y'all. Ain't showing 101 on the dash. It warmed up. So 11:50 here. I need to run down to the tire shop here in Wellington. This is where we do some of our local tire work at, business at. Mr. Brent here at OK Tire in Wellington, Texas. If you're ever through here and need something, he is the man to talk to. Try to catch them before they go to lunch. I need to grab a steer tire, pay for some tires that Ronnie got. So I'm gonna give him a call right quick, make sure they ain't skedaddled yet. correctly. Man, we got us a big load back there now, y'all. I'll show it to you when we get to the yard. Golly. I didn't know if we were going to be able to fit it on our trailer or not, but well, we got her on there. Thanks for the help, Brent. Good people right here. Wellington, Texas, right off of Highway 83 between Childress and Shamrock. Alright, let's get back to the yard. Alright, y'all check out this big load here. I'm surprised we could fit all this on here. So, boss man wanted me to bring some 22.5 wheels. And then of course I got me a steer tire for the truck here. So, that's how we're going to finish up today, y'all. All I'm going to do this evening, I'm going to come down here and mount 2 trailer tires on here for our bale trailers. Mount my steer tire. I got some boots to put, or some O-rings to put in my turbo. The elbow comes off the top of my turbo. Got to put some of them in for a cat. And get that little, there's a little blue truck over here still. See if that thing will follow me. Yeah, we still got the gin truck here behind me. Got to get in here, get back started on getting ready to put that PTO wet kit on. Plain dude, ginning season's here. It's gonna be here real quick, and we're running out of time. So let's get these kicked off, get the tires off, and y'all know how what we always say around here. Keep your shiny side up and hammer down. We'll see y'all on the next.